Thanks for tuning in to Republic. I'm Prithween, and we start with the latest as far as the recently concluded protests in the national capital are concerned. We are being told, though, that the protests have concluded, but these are protests that broke out against Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the national capital over fuel price hike. Members of Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee was staging the protest, and clashes also broke out between the police and the protesters. Piyush is tracking that story for us. Piyush, what is the current status? I believe the situation is relatively under control now, but if we go by these visuals, we could see how the protesters also ended up clashing with the police there as far as this protest against fuel price hike in the national capital is concerned.
Well, absolutely, and this has been the main issue on which the other political parties are also protesting, and Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee was staging this protest against the Delhi government. Right now, the situation has now come under control, but we also saw as to how the dramatic visuals came out where the clashes took place between the members of Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee and Delhi police. They were protesting against rising prices of fuel, and they were demanding that should be rolled back, but the situation has now come under control. A couple of minutes back, we had also seen as to how these dramatic pictures had also come out where the clashes were also reported between Delhi police officials as well as the members of Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee. Congress Party has been raising this issue of fuel price hike not only in Delhi but also across the country, and today the protest took place in national capital. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the government is going to look into this issue, but yes, indeed it has become one of the important point of protest where the other political parties are also staging protests not only in Delhi but also in different parts of the country, because fuel hike is indeed the important a point on which the opposition political parties are seeking answers from the government. We had also seen as to how the BJP leaders had come out and they had defended this fuel price hike by saying that that it depends on international market. At the same time, they also said that the money is being given back to people and is being used for the developmental projects also. But the questions are now being sought, answers are now being sought from the ruling dispensation. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the government is now going to control the rising prices of diesel and petrol in national capital, not only in national capital but across the country. If you talk about today's prices in Delhi, the petrol is costing more than 99 rupees per litre. So it has become a huge controversy, huge political point where the political parties are now seeking answers from the government. And looking at that, we also saw the protests breaking out where clashes were also reported between Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee members and Delhi police. Right now, Krishmi, the situation is absolutely under control.
And what answers are being given by the government, Piyush? If we go by the figures, petrol prices have hiked 35 times in the last 2 months. And like pointed out by you, petrol currently is inching closer to 100 rupees per litre. Diesel, meanwhile, hovering at close to 90 rupees. So certainly we've been seeing this spike since a while now. What is the response that the Aam Aadmi Party and the government is essentially giving?
Well, government is not able to give any kind of response because this has become a big headache for the government, because every day we are seeing as to how the prices are increasing of diesel and petrol, and it is indirectly affecting the prices of other commodities also, be it the vegetable prices, be it the common basic needs, those are there of a common man, even their prices have shot up because the petrol and diesel prices have been affected. So the government at this moment is not able to justify the rising prices, but it's very important for them to control the rising prices of fuel, be it diesel or petrol. We'll have to wait and watch how the Petroleum Ministry is going to justify the rising prices, because every day we are seeing seeing as to how the prices of fuel are rising across the country. If you talk about national capital, it is very much close to 100 rupees per litre if we go by the latest figures, it's around 99.90 per litre, which is of the petrol in Delhi, which is itself a huge cause of concern. The government is not able to give proper answers on this, and the opposition continues to attack government on this and seeking answers from the government. And looking at that, we saw Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee members protesting against the rising fuel prices, and we also saw as to how clashes were also reported. We'll have to see if there are appropriate answers coming in from the side of central government on the issue of rising
So many
fuel
took to
prices.
streets to protest outside Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence as far as the fuel price hike in the national capital is concerned. Situation currently under control. Piyush reporting on that story. Thank you, Piyush.